You have awesome hair.
Thanks. So I hope it's gonna get better.
What are you struggling with currently?
I'm not really happy with how it's like framing my face right now.
Okay.
And my past experiences with cutting it, it's been looking a little too feminine. And like I feel like it's just not framing my face right how I want it. It's a lot of weight as well. I don't really like.
Okay.
It's really heavy.
Gotcha.
And I work in the kitchen as well, so
You gotta tie it up a lot.
yeah, I just do a quick one like that.
How do the bangs go for you?
I usually like having bangs. Like, it's a
When you
pretty
say
chill
too
spot.
feminine, little too like specifically shaped.
Yeah.
You want it to look like I got good hair, but I don't care. And it just so happens to look really, really great. Got it.
That's the one I need. Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. That helps me a lot. What even adds to making that even easier for me is you saying it feels weighty, like pretty heavy.
Yeah, it does. It's gonna get hot too.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
Length is pretty cool. I mean, if you wear it that way.
Yeah, I do usually. Yeah.
Okay. Are these bangs at the moment too long for you,
Too
or
long.
they are a little too long?
Yeah.
You want them sitting like kind of start maybe up in that lash line?
Yeah.
Or you want them higher?
Yeah, I want to try something like that. Yeah. Something different.
All right. Aside from the cut, do you struggle with anything like taking care of it at all?
Looks pretty good today, actually.
What'd you do different?
I just wet it, honestly. Yeah, because I didn't want to do nothing.
I love bringing people back around to that. I get that so much. People will be like, oh, I've been having the hardest time with my hair. And then they'll roll in and they'll sit here and be like, well, it looks really good right now. And I'll be like, what'd you do different? And they're like, nothing. I didn't do anything. And I'm like,
Yeah, 'cause it's in the rules, man.
maybe that's why your hair looks better. So I try to get people to do less because hair knows what to do. As long as it's not super unhealthy, your hair knows what's going on.
Right. I think what I struggle with too is the top right here. It gets really flat easily. Like loses its curls.
Product, or at least product that's a little too heavy on the oils, will do that.
Okay.
It'll kind of just
Yeah.
weigh it down, and then you'll feel that flatness here, and then you'll have to get the root stuff to kind of fluff it up. Do you ever use a diffuser?
Nah.
Like if you want these to kind of stay up a little bit
Oh,
more,
you mean like a blow dryer with a diffuser?
it's this connection right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
That's what you would want.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I use that.
Okay, if you kind of like get that styled up right and kind of get this up here, you got short enough layers already to where you should be getting it. That'll help you feel like you're falling less flat. Don't get me wrong, what do you play?
What do you mean? I do it all. I'm a drummer for this one band.
Oh,
and
wow.
I play guitar for my band.
So you're sweating it out. So when you start sweating, your scalp is the first one to do it. It's gonna flatten out. There's not a lot you can do about that other than toss it. Then you change the direction of that root, it'll get bigger and it'll be sitting exactly where you wanted it, but that's how you would manage that if you were like in the middle of it. How long do you want to get your hair?
I was thinking like, I was honestly gonna go off of your opinion. Like, what do you think? You think it's long right now, or like? Because I kind of want it short just to like switch it up, but I don't want it too short.
So you've never wanted to see your hair longer than what it is
Not
now?
than what it is right now. I think it's actually a good length.
It's pretty cool to me too. There's a little bit of that disconnection in here that makes it like bang and then
Yeah.
length. So I
Yeah.
think if I could kind of trickle that all together,
Okay.
I think you'll feel a little bit better about that. And again, you don't have a lot of problems I'm trying to correct, and then we'll mess with the bangs together to get those to the right spot.
Okay.
But I can always take more. So I like, when it comes to face framing, I'm gonna do a little. Aside from the cut, do you struggle with anything like taking care of it at all?
Nah, I usually wash it like twice a week with a shampoo and conditioner, and then I use leave-in conditioner throughout the day.
Cool. You keep it pretty simple then, it sounds like. You're not putting a ton of product into the
No.
shower. Good.
Just to leave in water.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, I can't say that it feels unhealthy or anything like that. I'm not looking at it going, you got a bunch of busted ends or anything.
Cool.
I'm going to show you the product line that I like the most.
Let me know.
Yeah.
Excited to see the after.
Yeah, me too.